how to sign in to Amazon.com or how to log in to Amazon app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign in or log in on Amazon. Now unfortunately I'm unable to show you here on the application itself because it won't let me screen record, but I'll be showing you on the browser, but the process itself is similar on both as well. Now here, what you want to do is you can simply tap on Amazon.com and it will redirect you to Amazon page here. Now here you'll find the sign in option at the top right corner. You can see you want to simply tap on sign in. Once you tap on sign in here, if you don't have an account, you can tap on create account and you can create your account. I've already made a separate video on how you can create an Amazon account. So here I'll just be showing you how you can sign in. In order to sign in, tap on sign in and then enter in your email address or phone number that you use to sign up your account with. Then you want to simply tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you for your password here. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you for your password. You can simply tap on enter in your password and then tap on sign in. If you forgot your password, you can choose the forgot password option, enter in your email or phone number. Again, it'll send a verification code to that particular account, your phone number or your email account, and you can enter in the OTP and you can log in easily. So this way you can sign in or log in on Amazon.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.